Unit 6, Sinusoidal Functions. Periodic functions. To begin with, I found the period of the function by finding two amplitudes and subtracting them to get 120. Here's where I found the amplitudes, and here's where I did my calculations. Here I did 150 subtracted by 30, which equals 120. Next, I found the min and the max value by looking at the graph, the minimum being 3 and the max being 11. Next, I solved for the amplitude, where I subtracted the max value by the minimum value, which gave me 8. Max being 11, the minimum being 3, and the answer being 8. Next, I found the equation of axis by adding the min value from the max value, then dividing that by 2, which gave me 7. Over here, I did 11 plus 3 divided by 2, which gives me 7. Lastly, I solved the range. The range is y equals all real numbers, so that 3 is greater or equal to y, and y is greater than or equal to 7. Now moving on to sinusoidal and graphing functions. To start with, in order to find the equation, I had to find was the vertical upshift, which was 5 since the rest of the information was given to me. Leaving us with the final equation of y equals 4 cos brackets 2x and brackets plus 5. So the amplitude was 4, the period was 180 degrees, the max point was 0 and 9, and the function was cos. The vertical upshift of 9 subtracted by 4 equals 5. This is the final graph where I graphed the points. That's where the graphing function comes in. By the some key points of the graph are 0, 9, which is right here. 180 and 1. So looking here, here's the 1, here's the 180. And then 360 and 9, which is here's 360, here's 9. And then those are the key points. Another example for sinusoidal functions. For the function y equals 30 cos in brackets 2 brackets x plus 15 degrees and brackets negative 60, the phase shift is y equals a cos k brackets x plus b and bracket plus c. A would equal 30, k would equal 2, b would equal 15 degrees, and c would equal negative 60. Therefore, the phase shift would be 2 in brackets x plus 15 degrees and bracket equals 0. Therefore, x equals negative 15 degrees. Therefore, b would shift 15 degrees to the left.